Hi, this is Catherine at Quilt Direct. Today I want to show you how to use the automatic needle threader. I've already threaded the machine, ensuring that the needle is in the needle up position using this button here, and I've now placed the presser foot in a down position using the lever at the back. I'm now going to take hold of the needle threader. I'm going to take it around the pillar. I'm going to rest it up against the ridge that is on that pillar, and I'm going to hold the thread parallel to the bed of the machine while pushing the needle threader all the way through. I've now taken the thread back over the little hook or under the little hook, and I'm going to return the threader here. You can do a quick check by just pulling the thread forward slightly, and the trick now is to ensure that you don't drop the thread, but you release it gently as you allow the needle threader to return back to its up position. All I need to do then is pull the thread from the back of the needle, and then the needle is all threaded, ready to go for stitching.